Hello student, today we are going to solve some multiple choice question under design of machine elements as per our Polytechnic syllabus. Choose the correct answer from alternatives and also explain your answer. Question number 1. The adaptation of existing design of an item is termed as option A rational design, option B adaptive design, option C development design, option D none of this. Correct answer is option B adaptive design. Adaptive design involves modifying an existing design to suit new requirement or conditions. This approach influences existing knowledge and solution to create a new improved design. Number 2. Mild steel belongs to the following category. Option A low carbon steel, option B high carbon steel, option C medium carbon steel, option D alloy steel. Correct answer is A low carbon steel. Mild steel is a type of low carbon steel with a carbon content typically less than 0.3%. Its low carbon content makes it relatively ductile and easy to weld and shape. Question number 3. Factor of safety is the ratio of option A baking stage to working stage, option B endurance limit to yield stage, option C elastic limit to ultimate stage, option D yield stage to working stage. Correct answer is A baking stage to working stage. It is defined as the ratio of the material's baking stage, that means the maximum stress it can withstand before failure, to the working stage, that means the stress it applies under normal operating condition. Question number 4. The ultimate strength of steel in tension in comparison to shear is in the ratio of option A 1:1, option B 2:1, option C 3:2, option D 2:3, option E 1:2. Correct answer is option C 3:2. The ultimate tensile strength of steel is generally higher than its ultimate shear strength. This ratio is used by engineers in design calculation to ensure that structure and component have sufficient safety margins. Question number 5. Ranking's theory of failure is applicable for following types of materials. Option A brittle, option B ductile, option C elastic, option D plastic, option E tough. Correct answer is A brittle. Ranking theory helps engineers predict when brittle materials like cast iron or concrete will break based on how much stress they can handle in one direction. Okay. Question number 6. Stress concentration is caused due to A. Variation in properties of material from point to point in a members. Option B. Pitting at points or areas at which load on a member are applied. Option C. Abrupt change of section. Option D. All of the above. Correct answer is option D. All of the above. Stress concentration occurs when the stress at a specific point within a material is sufficiently higher than the average stress. This can be caused by various factors: variation in material properties, load application at specific point, that is sharp corner, abrupt change in section, that is holes or notches. Okay. Question number 7. Which of the following material has maximum strength? Option A gay cast iron, option B plain carbon steel, option C alloy steel, option D aluminum alloy. Correct answer is option C alloy steel. Alloy steel are known for their exceptional strength and other desirable properties due to the addition of alloying elements like chromium, nickel and molybdenum. Okay. Question number 8. Which of the following material has maximum ductility? Option A gay cast iron, option B mild steel, option C alloy steel, option D high carbon steel. Correct answer is option B mild steel. Mild steel exhibits good ductility, meaning it can be significantly deformed without fracturing. This property makes it suitable for various applications like bending and forming. Okay. Question number 9. Gay cast iron contains option A less than 0.3% carbon, option B 0.3 to 0.5% carbon, option C 0.5 to 1.4% carbon. Option D, 3 to 4% carbon. Correct answer is option C, 0.5 to 1.4% carbon. Gay cast iron is an iron carbon alloy containing 0.5 to 1.4% carbon. The carbon exists primarily in the form of graphite flakes, giving it a characteristics gay appearance, gay color. Okay. Question number 10. Mild steel contain option A less than 0.3% carbon, option B 0.3 to 0.5% carbon, option C 0.5 to 1.4% carbon, option D 3 to 4% carbon. Correct answer is A, less than 0.3% carbon. Mild steel is a low carbon steel with carbon content typically below 0.3%. This low carbon content contributes to its relative low strength but high ductility. Okay, thank you.